Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essential prerequisites. Confirm whether your microphone is USB or XLR because connection options determine noise sources and available controls. Next, reduce room noise, turn off fans and close windows because ambient sound becomes the dominant noise floor. Then, mount the mic on a shock arm and add a pop filter. This reduces handling noise and plosives. Finally, set input levels low enough to avoid clipping, but high enough for a solid signal. This prevents preamp hiss while preserving clarity. Once done with basic placement, focus on hardware and driver settings because these define your signal-to-noise ratio. Lower the mic gain and watch for -12 to -6 dB peak targets. This gives headroom and reduces preamp noise. Make sure audio drivers and firmware are up to date, and select 48K HC, 24-bit for better dynamic resolution. If you hear hums or buzz, use balanced XLR, check cable shielding. Try a ground lift or ferrite clamp, and separate audio cables from power lines to cut electromagnetic interference. Now finish with software processing to clean remaining noise while preserving voice quality. Start with an expander or gentle noise gate to remove low-level room hiss without chopping syllables. Then apply a high-pass filter around 8120 Hz to remove rumble. Use single-band EQ to notch problem frequencies, and only then apply spectral denoise or adaptive reduction at low reduction settings, because heavy processing creates artifacts. If noise persists, swap cables, try a different interface input, or test another microphone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.